Fort Mill police officer, wants your help to fill a local pantry with food for those in need, and he has a creative way of doing it. But joining us right now is Jan Arnold to tell us more about it. She's representing Fort Mill Care Center's food pantry. Thanks for joining us here today.
Thank you for having me.
Well, tell us about this officer and his great idea.
Fort Mill police officer Lieutenant Ray Dixon found out that we were running out of food in the pantry, and he came up with a creative way to get food. He wants to fill the back of his police car with food. And so he's going to park his car outside the Bilo in Fort Mill tomorrow from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. And he's hoping to fill it up even more than once. He's very generous doing this, and he really does care and wants to help the people of Fort Mill and Indian Land.
Well, that's good, because I'm very interested in this, because I actually live in Fort Mill. And how did he come about this idea, and is this the first time he's ever done this?
This is the first time he's done this, but in the past he has gone into Bilo on his days off, worked as a bagger, collected tips, and given the money to Fort Mill Care Center. I think that was a little over $2,500 one year. One year he built himself a jail cell at the Bilo and had people give money to bail him out.
Oh,
and
wow.
give all the money to the Care Center.
A charitable heart indeed.
Definitely.
I know a lot of the Fort Mill Police Department officers over there, and they're fantastic, and so I'm sure they will be there too, helping out as well, right?
Well, I'm hoping so. You know, we're lucky we live in a town where people do care, and they reach out and help us, and we're very thankful for those.
Okay, how can the community find Lieutenant Ray Dixon to donate food?
Go to the Bilo. It's 160 West, and it's right off the interstate. And he's going to be in front of the Bilo.
It's right there off. It's right off Church 77, right there behind the Peach Stand. It's pretty close to the Peach Stand.
It is,
right?
and he'll be there in his patrol car, and it'll probably be right in front of the store.
All right, fantastic. There's the information going on right there. And what kind of food can people donate? Because that's always important. The non-perishable items.
Non-perishable items only. We're currently in the Fort Mill Care Center is in a small space, and we do not have any refrigerators, so only non-perishable items.
Okay.
But there are a lot of non-perishable items out there.
And for that, people that be canned goods as well.
Correct.
Vegetables, whatever the case may be.
Correct. Canned goods, toilet paper, cleaning supplies, anything that's good. But we really need food. We were running out.
All right. You saw the information we had up on the screen just a few minutes ago. Thank you very much. It's at the Bilo on Munn Road in Fort Mill, Friday from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. Canned vegetables, meat, tuna, pasta, rice, beans, non-perishable items. Please do so. It's a great cause. Fill up the back seat with food. Thanks to you, and thanks to the officers over there in Fort Mill for doing this.
Definitely.
All right, Brigida, back to you.
Thank you.